Yeah, I just came across some information I like to pass on. Could Bible prophecy start to begin to get fulfilled? All right. Now I'm going to read Revelation 17:10 and 11. Revelation 17:10 through 11. And there are 7 kings, 5 are fallen, and 1 is, and the other is not yet come. And when he cometh, he must continue a short space. And the beast that was and is not, even he is the 8th, and is of the 7th, and goeth into perdition. Now here's the reason I bring this topic up. Okay. Do you know that on March 14th of 2020, Obama endorsed Joe Biden as president? Okay. Obama supported Joe Biden to become president. All right. Well, March 14th, the Michael Obama is back in the game, and the focus is turning on whether Biden's going to pick Michael Obama to be the vice president. Okay, and could that fulfill Revelation? What is it? Revelation 17:11. Because he can come back into power. If you think about it, let me get these questions out here for you so you can think about it. Even the there's an article saying how the Obamas could easily win 8 more years in the White House. So the question is this. Will Joe Biden pick Michael Obama as vice president? And I'm calling her Michael and not Michelle because it's a man. Everybody knows that. If Michael Obama becomes vice president, would Joe Biden step down as president? If Michael Obama became... So basically my thinking is this. Joe Biden gets selected as president. He picks Michael Obama to become the vice president. Then Joe Biden steps down. Then Michael Obama takes over as president and picks her lover, Barack Obama. Okay, or his lover, Barack Obama. Okay, then Barack Obama could be running the White House behind closed doors. As the vice president, but he could be pulling all the strings. So he could technically be back in as president for 8 more years. That's just a theory I'm thinking about, and it would fulfill the Bible prophecy about how he comes into power and comes back. It makes it does. I think it does what it could bring Revelation 17:10-11 to pass. That's what I'm thinking. That's why I'm making this quick little video. It's not going to be long, but yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. That Joe Biden is going to go ahead and select Michael Obama to be the vice president, and Michael Obama is going to go ahead and, after Joe Biden steps down, then Michael Obama will pick his lover, Barack Obama, okay, to become president. And then that's how Barack Obama can become president again for 8 more years. So that's just something I'm thinking about. And another quick thing, this is a little side note, is, everybody knows right now that Trump signed the National Declaration of Emergency or something like that. We're all 50 states, all right, and now FEMA's in charge. Well, here's my question for everybody to think about. Because the president is the only one that can reverse the order, and it happens every 6 months. He can sign it and take the authority back from FEMA. Okay? But given all the puzzle pieces that are in place with the lockdown, the military out, and FEMA being in control right now, would FEMA give back the power to the president? Or could Trump be assassinated so FEMA doesn't get taken away from being in charge? Because if you need a president to remove FEMA from being in charge, but then the president that signed the order giving FEMA all authority is assassinated or taken out of the way, then FEMA stays in charge by default. Then, I just don't know. I'm thinking that could possibly happen. I don't know, because I've seen a lot of shows where they try to depict, they mock Trump of being assassinated or something happening to Trump. You can see it all over the internet, so they might have that as a plan, you know what I'm saying? But I was just bringing the attention that Joe Biden is going ahead and he might pick Michael Obama to become the vice president. And then Michael Obama could pick his lover, Barack Obama. And then Obama could become president again. Okay, that's a quick video. That's all I was saying.